Imagine what will the technology-driven future be like. There will be interactive displays on every surface. Through these embedded displays, people will get connected easily everywhere. Everyday devices such as alarm clocks, kitchen appliances, car windows, elevators, or even drinking cups are going to be smart. There will be computers everywhere. Everything will be connected. Technology will become more and more essential to humans. All these coming changes require people to have a smarter approach in order to live in a technology-driven environment. We and our kid generation will have to learn this everywhere, every time, and even all the time. We call that ubiquitous training. However, the question is how to make this ubiquitous training available to the whole society to make an open future for all of us. Our vision is a bright future where people share innovations with others. This we call open innovation. How to enable these teenagers to make smart devices for better schools, greener homes, or more friendly environment. We believe that open source hardware is the key. It helps kids or adults unleash their creative potentials by freely improving upon others' open innovations. In order to participate in this open future, the children should be introduced to the STEM bridge today. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. This term is frequently mentioned in technologically advanced countries like the US. In a sense, STEM education provides students the necessary knowledge and skills in the disciplines of science, technology, engineering, and math. These knowledge and skills are learned in an integrated, intertwined, and applied approach so that students are proficient in theoretical principles as well as practical, hands-on problem solving with everyday objects. DTT is an innovation company providing IT solutions and services focusing on the area of IT applications in government and IT-based STEM education services. At DTT, we believe that people, specifically the future generation of Vietnam in particular, and of ASEAN in general, need to get ready for the future through computing on open source hardware for ubiquitous training, or COHUT, and we call this TUHOC, self-learning. TUHOC is an open platform for STEM education directed towards making smart things in the principle of networked matter to build a future generation with full knowledge and intellect for technology only. TUHOC contains programming knowledge based on the open source hardware platform Arduino, which are very popular globally. Hardware module knowledge, including basic electronics devices such as sensors, ICs, knowledge in the connections and interactions among modules and devices. In addition, students will also be equipped with basic knowledge in computer science, computer engineering, electronics, and communication engineering. This exposure will seed student interest in STEM innovation since as early as secondary school. The curriculums for 6th grade to 12th grade can meet the requirements of teaching and practicing to let students make smart devices. DTT has researched and developed the necessary modules for smart device programming, LED module, sensor modules, communication modules, and so on. These hardware modules will be extended depending on the technology development. These modules can be easily assembled in different ways to make completed smart devices. DTT has researched and developed software library for programming the hardware modules. This software library is attached with the lecture to let students easily control the devices using the C programming language. The hardware modules are designed to package tiny electronic components and ICs into convenient and easy to use for students. The design, production, testing, integration of these modules are developed based on the Arduino platform and implemented in Vietnam. As technology progresses, TUHOC Toolkit will include more and more modules such as environment sensor, health sensor, and so on, and these modules will be added into the above hardware modules and software library. To make TUHOC become a platform for STEM, DTT Research Group have not only developed hardware, software, but also a set of educational method and curriculum under learning by doing approach, which are applied for students aged 12 to 18. When they grow up, they can participate in the maker movement. TUHOC is also integrated with 3D printing technology, laser cutting, and so on, suitable for the modern practicing environment in the maker movement style. So students can create unlimited smart products and systems with high practicality, such as smart applicants, using sound and light sensors to control TV, air conditioner, smart experiments, automatic plant watering. After the basic modules are developed, DTT Research Group have also created specialized toolkits to help students focusing on innovation and development of specific functions. For example, Chi1 Toolkit, based on the famous Vietnamese game, is made smarter, and students have to apply physics knowledge to control light sensor, math knowledge to calculate the path of information, and technology knowledge to program, to automatically recognize the completed shape, as in the sample. All the above components are integrated in STEM platform and can be customized depending on the condition of students, classes, and schools. We have also prepared the training course, training documents for teachers, exams and student evaluation method, competition at city level and national level. A training and certification program for teachers is also designed to create a team of teachers with full of knowledge and thinking. Testing and certification process for students is divided into learning modules. We also organize annual competitions promoting creativity and testing student skills, such as Robothon, International Robotics Competition for Children, National Computing Youth Contest. TUHOC brings Vietnamese students an opportunity in practicing computer thinking and open innovation methodology based on STEM education model that may lead qualified technology human resource in the future. TUHOC is designed and developed by DTT, Vietnamese engineering team, using completely open source hardware and software. This means that many organizations and individuals can participate in the development and production. Then it leads to cost reduction by time. Compared with other STEM learning toolkits such as Lego, Mindstorm, Robotics, TUHOC costs about 1/10 and be more overly innovative. This is prerequisite condition of successful implementation in Vietnam and many Southeast Asia countries. DTT's consultants have created various intellectual products in the market as Chi1 Toolkit. Its success in Southern Asia market also brings prestige for Vietnam IT with the solution innovation capacity in the field of hardware, software, and content. This product is considered as potential deliverables of National IC program. Additionally, the wide application of technological and intellectual products of TUHOC in education will create a kick in Vietnam STEM education. This is not only leading product of hardware and software application in education, but also a foundation of the maker movement that can make a significant change on learning model, career orientation, and open innovation in society. Imagine this. Vietnamese students start learning to make smart things today. 10 years later, that generation will be among 200,000 high-quality workforce who can innovate and solve complex technical and production problems, putting Vietnam on the global technology map with high-value products. With TUHOC, DTT expects to start a modern technological environment for future generation of Vietnam as well as ASEAN. There are about 10 million children among ages from 12 to 18 in Vietnam. They will be the key for Vietnam in the coming 20 years. If they are all approached with advanced STEM learning toolkit as what children from over the world be, they must be essential contributors for Vietnam's success in knowledge age and information society. So should be other ASEAN countries. And then, if we start doing something to make dream come true today, there will be many opportunities for students to make ASEAN become a strong economy with leading innovation in the future.